critics call them a huge waste of time and your tax dollars. They're talking about the bills that either already exist or change virtually nothing. They say it amounts to politics at its worst. WAFB's Capitol correspondent Caroline Moses found several of these so-called feel-good bills filed this legislative session.
Virtually anything can be discussed.
Legislators can file bills each session about almost anything, and some do. They filed more than 1,200 of them this session.
It kind of is amazing how every year or every couple of years legislators find more things that we didn't know that we somehow had to pass a law to do, even if it doesn't really do much of anything.
Take, for example, the freedom of religion bill that's already passed the House. It's up for more debate in the Senate.
We have freedom of religion. I mean, frankly, we have something in our Constitution now that guarantees the right to hunt and fish. I don't think we need to have a constitutional amendment or even a law on freedom of religion to guarantee those types of things.
Another bill that probably won't change much if it becomes law is one that would control what kind of drinks are sold in high school vending machines. Now, already bottling companies plan to get rid of the high-calorie drinks out of the machines, but this bill gives them a little more attention.
People see it, and it all kind of works to their political advantage.
A bill filed by New Orleans Representative Juan LaFonta highlights his crime-fighting concerns. His bill would make recklessly discharging a firearm at a parade or demonstration a crime. Of course, that would already likely be considered criminal now, though. Another New Orleans legislator went for the tough-on-crime appeal, too, by filing a bill to make trafficking children for sexual purposes criminal. That, too, is already considered criminal now.
Our criminal code is pretty good. I mean, there's not too many things that you can really get away with in Louisiana.
We call it feel-good legislation. It really doesn't do much. In many instances, there's laws in the books that already cover the subject matter they're dealing with.
Another feel-good bill that failed to gain much traction this session would have made the left lane on all multi-lane highways designated for passing only. Legislators say it's already common practice and common sense.
Legislature has never been known for its efficient use of time, and I think this is an example of a lot of wasted time.
Legislators spent more than 5 hours debating the Equal Pay for Women Act. Federal laws already outlaw paying women less money than men for the same job. Eventually, this bill failed to pass out of the House.
I think sometimes people are doing it because they want some attention for themselves.
And oftentimes, they get it. Caroline Moses, WAFB 9 News.
Now, we want to know what you think of these so-called feel-good bills. You can comment on our website at WAFB.com.